Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how robots and AI, how have they affected you? Good or bad? Let's get into it right now. As many of you know, as we just saw, robot servers, robot helpers, self-driving cars are the wave of the future. They're becoming almost commonplace. AI, Gemini, all of them are great things and tools and assist you in your life. But at the same time, what is the cost of AI and robots taking over our jobs? What is the long-term effect to this? Tesla has, and all of these companies have developed AI. And just like in the movie I, Robot, you know, self-driving cars, self-driving buses, robots that can help you in everyday chores, clean the house, do all of these things. But what is the long-term effect? As we can see here, this robot here, this biped robot, is now being replacing many, many jobs at Amazon's distribution plant. And, people who expected to have a job there are gone. And there's no place for them in the factory to replace that job. And as this continues, it's becoming more and more of a problem. Recently, we just had at the dock strike, and everybody was so worried about, well, if they're on strike for a long time, product is not going to come in. Ships have to be unloaded and reloaded and such like this. But the truth of the matter is, this automation is already in effect. And what the whole strike was not about getting more wages, but from being that the dock workers would translate into those jobs. Let's take a look at some of the automated plants. You see, overseas, this has already happened. Let's take a look at that. So it's already been happening for some time. Many of the ports right now are automated. In this video, you can see that this is an automated port. The cargo is unloaded, reloaded, and put on self-driving trucks, all automatic without the need of a human being. And all of these high-paying jobs are going away. So what does this mean to us? And what does it mean to the dock workers? Well, what their fight right now is that they be trained in using the computers that run these things. And that's where the big fight is. One of the things, of course, is that they're replacing multiple jobs in multiple areas. As the price of a worker increases in price, and where the fast food worker used to lose minimum wage, and then with a starting job for a teenager or something like that, yeah, you couldn't live on that income. Most of the time, it was a beginner's job for that person. But those jobs, now they're forcing them to increase the wages to 15, 20, 30, $30 an hour to flip hamburgers. And those restaurants are turning around and saying, well, I can buy an automated hamburger fry making machine where all they need is somebody to load all that material into the machine, and it will take care of it and it eliminates a job. Just take a quick look at this. I mean, they have machines now that are replacing fast food workers. It automatically puts the fries into the bin and prepares it and serves it. That is incredible. Already, AI is in every part of our lives. The new cell phone, your new TVs, everything has generative AI in it, and it's increasing in every area of life. It is really not about the robots replacing things. It's about the AI that's generating, that's controlling, that's taking over that particular position. Companies are looking for making more profit. That's the bottom line. And if to get more profit means that I can replace a worker who was being paid 20, 30,000, 40,000 a year and replace them with a machine that will do the same job, that'll work 24/7, that doesn't care about holidays, and that's what they're going to do. We had the writer strike recently, and the biggest worry they had was that Gemini and all of these different AIs were being used to write the scripts where normal cast would take 12 people. Now they now only need two. And it's happening in every industry, including pharmaceutical. All, I've heard and that recently that a lot of plants now, when you send in a mail-in prescription, there's no people doing that. The computer arrives with the prescription. It goes and pulls the bottle, plants it, fills the bottle, packs it, and does it all automatically. There are no people involved. What do you think about this? What do you think about having a total automated society where there are no jobs for you to do? I'm being serious. I mean, oh, it's the world of the future where I can get on a bus and it'll take me automatically and it'll take me to the mall. My car will drive me here and all of this. All of these jobs are going to be eliminated. I mean, the plan is right now with these automated trucks that are going to go cross country is not only will it automatically drive and go where it has to go, but the packs that are batteries, what they're planning to do and already have done in some places where they have the battery packs are replaceable. So the truck will drive, let's say it's going from New York to LA, and it gets to a certain point where the battery pack needs to replace. It'll pull into a station. Another robot will pull the battery pack out and put a fresh battery pack in, and the robot will continue on its way. It doesn't need a worker. It doesn't have tired drivers. It doesn't have possibilities of accidents. All automation. Is it good? Is it bad? What do you think? Put it in the comments. This is your Grandpa KC out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope this content has been helpful for you. And until next time, you have a great day.